This is the ULTRAVISION CT surgical access system for optimal, minimally invasive thoracic access. This system comes with a wide selection of retractor blades so that it can be used for all patient sizes and all incision sizes. Of course, minimally invasive incision sizes. Comes with a light cable and the retractor body and the pivot tool to control the pivoting blade function. The unique thing about this retractor system is that the blades conform to the patient anatomy, and this helps us reduce potential trauma to the ribs and intercostal nerve. So a standard retractor system has blades that are oriented like this. And what this does is you have these mirror images. So on the upper rib, the blade intersects with the rib at one point, putting all the spreading pressure at that point. With the ULTRAVISION system, the retractor blades, the upper one conforms to the upper rib, thus spreading the pressure. It's dispersed over this, reducing the potential for trauma. This is the retractor body. So we're going to select the proper blades for the patient, and to use the pivot function, we should use blades which extend past the rib. So in the orientation, we're going to put the blade that says upper on the side of the retractor towards the head, and the lower one, side of the retractor towards the feet. One of the unique things about this also, because of that shape of the blades, they actually intersect with each other. And that makes a very small profile and makes it very easy to insert in the small thoracotomy incision. Go ahead and use these hinges to conform it to the patient, and then we'll spread it open to the desired opening width. At this point, we're going to take this is the reusable light cable, and we're going to take the reusable cable and we're going to put it into the light channels. And it actually has prongs which secure it into the light channel so that it won't pop out. Then we're going to go ahead and pass it off of the sterile field, and it will be plugged into the ML51 LED light source. Then we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Now we have a brightly lit incision. Even if you're using a headlight, this will be helpful, because it will reduce the shadows from the headlight. Now, if you notice, this is what you would have with a standard retractor. This is what you have with the ULTRAVISION retractor system. The next feature we're going to discuss is the pivoting function. So, with competitive retractors, if we need more space to move the instrument or for visualization, our option is only to spread more, thus causing more spreading pressure. With the ULTRAVISION system, we can go ahead, take the pivot mechanism and pivot the blade out of the way. So now I'm going to pivot the lower blade. And now you'll see that, look at the range of motion I now have with this instrument. So again, I have more access and visualization with less spreading. So just to recap the important features of the ULTRAVISION CT thoracic access system, it comes with a wide selection of blades, and it actually includes flat blades, which are used for small upper sternotomy incisions. So wide selection of blades that conform to the incision and conform to the ribs to reduce the potential for trauma. The pivot function, which allows you to spread less, also reducing the potential for trauma. And incredible integrated light for more visualization.